Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Today is Wednesday, February 23rd. Let us start with today's gold technical analysis. First we'll look at the economic calendar for today, then look at the DXY dollar index, analyze whether it is in a bullish trend or bearish trend or it is a range bound market. Then we'll start with our daily technical analysis in gold. When we look at the event for today, we have high impacting news on New Zealand dollar coming at 6:30 AM. Then we have low impact news for Euro, Swiss francs and high impacting news for British pound. Then at 3:30 PM, Euro related news which has a low impact. Then at 10:30 PM, news related British pound which has a medium impact. So overall, when we look at the high impacting news, at 3 PM we have British pound related news. At 6:30 AM we have New Zealand dollar related news which has a high impacting news. So request you to plan your trades based on these news schedules. Don't enter into the market on wrong time. Let us look at dollar index. I'm in 30 minutes time frame of dollar index. We have the resistance level which is around 96.299 and we have the support level which is around 95.865, and currently when we look at the market from yesterday, it is going on a sideways. It has formed a double top pattern, took support on the support level of 95.730 and it went on a very nice bullish trend. Then it formed a double top pattern, then retracement happened. Currently also you can notice that it went on a bullish trend and now it is on a retracement. So it is overall moving on a sideways when we analyze the dollar index movement from 30 minutes time frame. It is a range bound market for now. Let us start with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame in gold. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, I've drawn a parallel line or the resistance line over here, and we have the strong resistance level which is around 1917, and currently the price action has momentarily tested this level and it is on a retracement. This area between 1899 and 1917 is acting as a very strong resistance level, because when we look at the past price action, we already know that previously the price action has tested this zone and we had seen a trend reversal. So currently also when we notice the price action, the wick of the red color candle has tested the level of 1914 and it has made a bearish trend reversal. But overall when we look at the price action, it is still in a very strong bullish trend and currently it is testing the higher time frame resistance level from the past price action. And when we ask the question whether the bearish trend reversal has started, we can clearly say that the trend reversal has not started, but it is starting to consolidate within this range over here. It is not a trend reversal, it is trying to consolidate or to break this resistance zone, and if the price action breaks this resistance zone, we can expect the next level of resistance to be around 1932. Currently the price in gold is being inflated due to the war tension in Ukraine. So once the issue is over, we can expect the range to be stabilized. So overall the price action in gold, it's still in a bullish trend and it is trying to break this resistance zone between 1914 and 1917. And if this range is broken, we can expect the next level of resistance to be around 1932. So these are all the support and resistance levels in daily time frame, and if the price action retraces, it has to break this support level of 1879 to actually go on a bearish side trades. Currently the price action is still trading within the bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I have drawn a support line or the trend line. You can notice that price has taken support at this trend line and it is continuously going on a bullish trend. As long as this trend line is holding, we can expect a bullish trend to continue. But from the higher time frame, we know that this whole zone between 1899 and 1917 is acting as a very strong resistance zone. So only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish trend, and if the bullish trend starts, we can expect the next level of resistance to be around 1933. And if the price action retraces, the next level of support is going to be around 1888, and if the price action breaks this support level, we can expect the next level of support to be around 1879. But overall, as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. Only when the price action breaks this support level of 1879, we can expect a bearish trend reversal, and if the bearish trend comes, we can expect the next level of support to be around 1851. And currently the price action is still in a bullish trend and it is consolidating. Let us see which way the price action moves. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within these black color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is still looking very bullish and it is forming similar to a flag pattern. Wait for it to break this resistance level or the support level to go on a directional trades. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. In 30 minutes time frame also, I have drawn a trend line or the support line over here, and it is going on a bullish trend. Every time the price action touches this support level, it bounces back and continues its bullish trend. And we have the hourly time frame trend line also running over here, and the price action has not broken this trend line or the support line from the hourly time frame also. So from this price action, we understand that it is still in a very strong bullish trend. And as always, whenever the price action tries to make a trend reversal, it forms into a double top pattern or a double bottom pattern, then makes a trend reversal. Wait for it to make double top or double bottom pattern. Whenever it breaks this neck level, you can go on a bullish side trades. Whenever it breaks this neck level of the double top pattern, you can go on a bearish side trades. And the price action is still trading on a bullish trend. You can notice that every time it retraces, it goes more on the bullish side rather than retracing on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within these black color boxes are the support and resistance levels. In 30 minutes time frame, currently the price action has formed a double top pattern and retraced and taken support on this hourly time frame trend line or the support line, and it is again on a bullish trend. If the price action breaks this resistance level of 1917, next level of resistance is going to be around 1921, and if it breaks this resistance level, we have the next level of resistance from the higher time frame, which is going to be around 1933. And currently the price action is still in a very nice bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 5 minutes time frame, currently it is still consolidating within this support and resistance level from the hourly time frame and daily time frame. As long as this resistance line or the support line is not broken, we can expect the range bound market to continue. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in black color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading within this resistance level of 1901 and support level of 1897. If the price action breaks this support line or the trend line from the hourly time frame, we can expect it to take support on the 30 minutes time frame trend line or the support line, which is going to be around 1893. But overall, when we look at the trend of the current price action, it is still trading above this hourly time frame trend line, which means it is in a bullish trend. It is only making a retracement. We can expect it to take support on this trend line, then go on a bullish side trade. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.